Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths with me. So today I am going to start with the scoring package of 10th standard. And these are very important questions as per your final exam. So I am going to start with the different parts in statistics. First I am going to solve with mean. So let's start. These questions are very important. So please do not skip these questions for your final exam. Now, the first question I am going to solve is calculate the mean for the following distribution table. In this, class interval is given and frequency is given. So, frequency I am going to denote it by Fi. Now, what things we need to find in this? First of all, let us write the formula for mean. Then we will know what all the things we need to solve in this. So, the formula for mean is equal to summation Fi xi divided by summation Fi divided by summation Fi. Now, what are the things present in this? There is Fi xi and Fi. So already Fi is given. We need to find xi. So xi how we have to find is we have to add these two and divide it by 2. That is the method. So the first reading is 15. Similarly, 20 plus 30 divided by 2. 20 plus 30 is 50. 50 divided by 2 is how much? It is 25. Okay. So, the next is 30 plus 40 divided by 2. So, we will get it as 35. Similarly, the other things I am going to write here. That is 45, 55, 65. This is the reading of xi. Okay. Then what next in the formula we have? We have Fi into xi. So the next is Fi into xi. See, there is a multiplication between the two terms. Okay. So which is our Fi? Our Fi is this and xi is this. So these two things we need to multiply. That is 2 into 15 or 15 into 2. So 15 twos are is 30. Then 25 threes are 75. 35 sevens are 245. 45 6 are 270. 55 6 are is 330. 65 into 6 is 390. Okay. This is our calculation. The next thing is in the formula they have given summation. Summation in the sense addition. So addition what? Addition of what it is? Addition of Fi into xi. So addition of Fi into xi is summation Fi into xi. So what we have to do here is we have to add these all. Addition of all these terms. So how much we are going to get? We are going to get it as 1340. Okay. Then in the below you can see in the denominator there is summation Fi. So summation Fi. Fi is what? Here. So I am going to add this now. So it is summation Fi which is equals to, if we add this all, so what is the total of this? It is 30. Okay. So what we have to do? Summation Fi into xi's value is there. So we have to substitute here, divided by summation Fi is 30. Okay. So I am going to cancel these both zeros. Then if it gets simplified, then you simplify. If it is not getting simplified, then you divide it. If you want to write 44.66, or else even you can write it as 44.6. So this is the mean for the class interval and frequency given. So the second question is, the same way given, that is the class interval and frequency. Now these two things will be given in the exam. So we need to find xi and fi into xi. So let's first write the formula for mean. So mean formula is summation fi into xi divided by summation fi. Okay. Now same way we need to calculate this. So xi is what? Again adding these two class intervals and dividing by 2. So 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then next is 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is how much? 3. Then 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 10 plus 12 is 22. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 12 plus 14 divided by 2. So 12 plus 14 is how much? It is 26. Divided by 2 is 13. Okay. Now we have to multiply these both as I had told in the first problem. So these two we have to multiply, that is fi into xi. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 3s are 6, 5 1s are 5, 7 5s are 35, 9 6 are 54, 11 2s are 22, 13 3s are 39. Now according to the formula we have to add, means summation of fi into xi. That means we have to add this summation fi into xi. So if you add this, how much you'll get? I am going to get it as 162. And what is summation fi? Means we have to sum this one. That is summation fi, which is how much? It is 20. You have to add these all. You will get 20. So these both values substitute in the formula. So summation fi xi is 162 divided by summation fi is 20. So even this will not get simplified. So what you have to do? We have to divide it now. So I am dividing 162 by 20. Okay. So 20 in 20 table there is no 162. So there is 160. So 20 how much are 126? 28s are 160. So 28s are 160 is there. So this will be 0, 0, 2 is remaining. Now further take a point and 0. So 20 ones are 20. So this is the final answer. So you will get the quotient as 8.1. So the answer for this question is 8.1.